My personal presentation. My name is, you write your name there. I was born on April 11th, 2002. My height is 46 centimeters. My weight is 46 kilograms. We are 4 members in my family. I am from Colombia. My nationality is Colombian. I am a student. I study at Celestine Freinet School. I like to play soccer and cycling. I like reading and watching TV. I like to eat pizza or hamburgers. My favorite color is blue. My favorite dessert is ice cream. I have a pet. It's a dog. Its name is Tom. Okay, but if you don't have any pet, you say, I don't have a pet.